Root Zones, bringing you the good news and the bad news of crypto. My name is Wayne.
And my name is Manish.
And if you like money and crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So today we'll be talking about the top 10 currency to invest for 2020. This is brought to you by Medium.com. As well as maybe we'll touch a bit on a recent news that came out a few hours back on Binance in Singapore to cease operations. So stay tuned for that. So let's move to top 10 currencies to invest for 2021. So number 10, we have Luna, right? So Terra is a unique coin that offers a wider variety of advantages and financial benefits to its users. One such advantage is the ability to invest in multiple stable coins on its platform for up to 90% in return. When this coupled with the fact that the technology for the blockchain underlying this crypto is one of the most advanced, you can see no reason to consider investing in this cryptocurrency. Now, at the time of this writing, Terra was worth about $12.26 per coin, and its price was increasing while others were decreasing in value. Terra is relatively obscure and its technology can be difficult to navigate for newcomers. However, for long-term hodlers looking to cash in on the growing blockchain with stable passive income output. So that's a very important key point. Moving on, number 9, we have VeChain. So VeChain is at number 9 because it has shown strong growth and strong depreciation over the last month. While I do believe VeChain's goals as a platform is superior to many other cryptocurrencies, it will have very slow growth. Now, with VeChain, the real value of the cryptocurrency will not shine until global adoption puts it in the forefront of the supply chain. As for now, the price will likely fluctuate, and interest on held VeChains is partially compared to others options out there. So if you want a coin to buy for long-term hold with some smaller passive income gains, then VeChain could be the coin for you. Number 8, we have Ethereum. So Ethereum has been moved to number 8 on the list as high gas fees continue to plague the platform, and the move to ERC 2.0 has been delayed once again due to the continued lack of upgrades. I think the future of Ethereum will be stifled, but it is still a good short-term investment due to popularity and general use of the coin across apps and platform. Now, Ethereum is still the top contender, and as its technology and demand continue to grow, while it's clear that Ethereum 2.0 has stalled out, I think we can continue to see a lot of adoption and development on Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum values are also easier for less wealthy investors to get their hands on, since popularity and utilization remains high, and we see no reason for not to invest in Ethereum. Now, Ethereum replaced Polygon on this month's list because Polygon honestly won't be relevant after Ethereum 2.0 releases. The old platform, coins, and infrastructure will need support, but bulk of the money will shift to the 2.0 network. So Polygon focus on making Ethereum better and will lose its relevance over the next few years. Number 7, USDC. There's been no change to stable coins this month. They still provide the same benefit as the month prior and still offer high interest yields relative to other cryptocurrency. Now, the stablecoin remains on the list as the top contender for investing. They are all at an all-time high demand as people are looking for safe places to store their extra income. Having a digital asset does not change a value, and high interest is of particular use to people. Interest rates for stable coins are not as volatile as demand driven coins. So why are stable coins a good investment if the value doesn't change? It's simple, and it comes down to having a stable asset that earns high interest on a daily basis. Those who already have large amount of money or people looking to build a stable savings account should look no further than stable coins for investments. Number 6, Harmony One. Harmony One is at 6 because CRO seems to be stalling on its vision and development, while Harmony One is growing. CRO seems to be catering to all the wrong things on its platform. Instead of focusing on decentralization and utility, it's focusing on NFT. Therefore, while I continue to hold CRO. I cannot recommend it this month. Harmony One aims to make development on Ethereum easy and affordable. Instead of paying large amount of money for gas to complete transactions, Harmony One's technology allows those transactions to be ported over to its technology and the cost of transaction to be diminished greatly. The platform also offers staking at a generous 8 to 10%, seeing a coin is so cheap and its utility will likely be required in short term. I see no reason to make this a valuable hold for both short and long term gains. Number 5, Yieldly has a potential to be the next millionaire maker coin as an asset operating on the Algorand blockchain. Yieldly is a DeFi platform that aims to increase users' finances through no-loss lotteries. What this means is for each algo you deposit on the platform, you get an increased probability of winning 18,000 to 20,500 algos. So if you're unpicked, you can just leave your money there and keep playing, and you earn Yieldly instead. While Yieldly's value is low right now, that is its strength. For one, if you buy through an exchange like Uniswap, you can accrue a large amount of Yieldly to stake on the platform. And the other thing going on is that Coinbase is already watching the coin and it is listed for viewing. Its technology will eventually allow for cross-chain swapping and asset exchange on the platform, and is potentially too good to be true. So you're probably wondering why Yieldly replaced Bitcoin. Well, my thinking is that the world wants cleaner, more affordable and scalable cryptocurrency technologies. Bitcoin does not provide that, and many critics have claimed that Bitcoin will see congestion as adoption continues. The only advantage of Bitcoin is its name. Number 4, PancakeSwap has a lot going for it. It is definitely generating steam amidst the horrifying high fees presented to users on Uniswap platform. I can only see PancakeSwap overtaking Uniswap in a few short months, as fees are generally less on the platform. PancakeSwap was a platform that I previously neglected due to the ridiculous name. However, after looking into it further, the amount of benefits no one can acquire through the use of this platform heavily outweighs the coin. Yes, fees can be high for transactions, but the farming pool provides such good APR yields that there is no reason to skip over. Since the coin is popular and growing in its development, there are plenty of potential for price to continue to rise. Number 3, High Dollar, the newcomer to the list for the month of September. High Dollar is an incredible new platform that has emerged just this year. Unlike other coins on this list, the High Dollar can be retrieved by creating an account through Telegram or WhatsApp. The unique thing about High is that it propels it higher spot on the list because of the ease of use and accessibility. The fact that one can avoid exchanges to get started with the coin makes it more adoptable by wider group of people compared to others on the list. For example, I was able to get several relatives who are not technologically adept into using the platform, where they struggle to utilize Coinbase and Crypto.com, and they don't even ask them to install a wallet and manage their own keys. While High Dollar is early in its development and still has several more key features to roll out, there are no denying the potential use and value of this coin. To get started, because it is still in the beta stage, you do not need a link of currently existing member. Number 2, Algorand. This month, Algorand has moved to second place due to its lackluster engagement and investment in the platform. While the cryptocurrency had a pretty stable summer relative to many other cryptocurrency, the value of Algorand compared to its competitors like Cardano and Tezos has not moved much. Still, the all-around best cryptocurrency out there in terms of development, Algorand is a tried and true cryptocurrency. The Algorand wallet allows easy staking and transfer of funds. There are no stake period, so when you want to access your funds, you are free to send them wherever. This is the one and only platform I know that allows interest accrual in wallet without having to bond to a validator to earn passive income with the coin. Now, the team behind Algorand is a world class and has announced several features such as decentralized voting, revamped interest payout system, and partnerships that make it one of the most developed and stable blockchains out there. DeFi apps such as Yearly are already making an appearance on Algorand's blockchain and providing a plethora of benefits to Algo users. And number one, Elrond. So Elrond takes first place as it has experienced some growth over the last month despite the volatility in the market. Its technology continues to grow and is soon to be released. Mayor Exchange will provide users with the ability to do cross-chain currency swap with ease eventually. The Mayor apps makes it easy to stake and send Elrond. The team behind the development of Elrond is consistently putting out updates and information about new initiatives and partnerships with other organizations and platforms. Elrond is an easy choice for investments given its numerous advantages, low total supply, and high interest yield. So if you purchase Elrond within the last 2 months, you are now on track to triple your money. And with high interest rates on stake coins, users are certain to be making quite a bit of money on the platform with a solid team and bright development future. So of course, with everything, this is an educational company, root zones. So do your own due diligence. This is not financial advice. It's just more to bring awareness to the market of you crypto traders. For those who are new, you can get started to invest with cryptocurrency with little or basic knowledge. You can also how to reduce your risk while getting consistent returns in crypto. Learn how to get even started while holding on to a full-time job. So visit the link above and look for us in our Telegram group. So that's all I have. Manish.
Wow. It's a great coverage. Very good selections of a coin. And all the coins has a very good potential, especially the coins which belongs to swap platforms that has this year I have seen growing those swap platforms like Pancake Swap, Uniswap. Then you have something coming up, ApeSwap. Today also I'm going to cover something new in
Awesome.
ApeSwap, and after your news I'll be covering that.
Sure. Let me share. So this came at the last minute.
Very disappointing news this is.
So Binance, MAS orders crypto exchange platform Binance.com to stop services in Singapore. So I think Monetary of Singapore has ordered Binance to stop providing payment services in Singapore, to cease soliciting business from Singapore residents. Regulator has reviewed the Binance.com and viewed that the website operator Binance may have breach of Payment Service Act. So MAS also placed Binance on its investor alert list on Thursday, September the 2nd, which is today, to warn consumer in Singapore that Binance is not regulated or licensed in Singapore to provide any payment services. So the spokesman at MAS has been engaging Binance local arm Asia Services that expect Singapore registered entity to immediately begin an orderly suspension of its facilitation and transfer digital payment tokens asset between the firm and parent company of Binance, which is registered in the Cayman Islands. So the move came about because Malaysia also ordered Binance to disable its main exchange Binance.com and mobile application in the country, calling it illegal digital asset exchange. In recent months, Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, including Malaysia, Britain, the United States, Italy, and Thailand. Now, its British arms, Binance Market, was in June banned from doing regulated business in the country over concerns that it was not doing enough to prevent money laundering and other financial crimes on its platform. So Japan financial regulator also issued a notice warning that Binance is not registered to do business within the country. In July, Hong Kong Securities and Futures Commission issued a warning against Binance, stating the cryptocurrency exchange was not licensed or registered to offer securities. Responding to MAS notice on Binance.com, Binance Singapore, which operates under Binance Asia Services, said the notice has no direct impact on its services it provides, Binance Singapore, a separate legal entity from Binance.com, with its own local executive and management team, does not offer any products or services via Binance.com website or other related entities, or vice versa. Binance Singapore is solely focused on growing Singapore cryptocurrency ecosystem and servicing users in Singapore. In a separate statement, Binance.com said it is actively working with MAS to address concerns that may have through constructive dialogue, and the company takes a collaborative approach in working with regulators. Now, we take our compliance obligations very serious. We are actively keeping abreast with the changing policies, rules, and laws in the new space. We will work closely with MAS and other global regulators to comply with the relevant regulatory standards. In the statement, they said Binance Asia's services is also exempted from holding a license. Now, it runs the Binance SG platform, which offers Singaporeans and residents here trading pairs in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin. It also provides Singapore dollar deposit and withdrawal functionality via payment platform Xfer Direct. Last month, Binance Singapore announced an appointed MAS veteran, Richard Tang, as its new chief executive. Mr. Tang was with MAS for 13 years and last served as its director of corporate finance. He was also a chief regulatory officer at Singapore Exchange. So I don't know, Manish. I when I read this, it seems there
Mostly
is
for
no
the
impact to
Binance
us.
SG, and hopefully Binance team will work closely and address all these issues and
Yeah. So I
whatever
don't
the,
think we I mean, if there's anything that happens, we still can actually transfer whatever coins we have on Binance SG as well as Binance .com to CoinHako, to any other wallets out there internationally, and have that money come back. So I think we should maybe also contact Binance and see maybe some announcement. Will we be impacted as retailers?
yeah, we have to find out, because we have to, since we are in Singapore and we love this country, we have to take all the
Mm,
decisions which is taken by a Singapore government very seriously.
of
uh,
course.
yeah, so I think we respect this decision, we find out more about it and see what are the impact in terms of
Right.
using Binance, and see, and probably we'll be covering more details when we find out more information about
Yeah,
it.
I think we can also share it with our community in the Telegram group. When Binance gets back to us on the impact as investors, as traders here in Singapore.
Yeah.
Awesome. So that's all I have in the news, Manish. Quite disheartening to hear this,
Yeah,
especially coming into
because
the bull.
our majority of trading is happening on a Binance, and yeah,
And,
but we also have alternate platforms which we have recently exploded, and we are working on it.
right,
It's good to have a chase always when we are in a
right.
technology field. So
Yeah,
yeah, this
multiple
kind of
wallets so that it doesn't get hacked through exploitation, but multiple exchanges and wallets in case of government policies,
regulations and policies.
regulations. So let's see. Let's get in touch with Binance after this, and let's get some official statements whether there will be impact to us.
Yeah.
That's all I have, Manish. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so let me share my screen.
So while Manish sets that up, do join us daily live on YouTube and Facebook, 9 p.m. Singapore time and 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you like money and crypto, make sure to smash the subscribe button.
Button. Okay, so welcome back, guys. If you have not seen the previous video which I covered yesterday about, I just going to give a quick recap, and after that, I'll take you to golden banana. So, but let me cover first banana first. Okay, so I think Wayne has covered top 10 coins for 2021. In that, there was one coin which is pancake swap. It's another token from Binance chain that also offer the similar kind of services what ApeSwap does it. They are quite stable. The token is quite stable already, and they have uh, getting the price is even going higher every day. So let me show you some of the feature, and which you can also get it in a pancake swap as well. So when you see their URL, the similarity is pancakeswap.finance and Similar to that, we have ApeSwap.finance. So all these are swapping platforms where you can use BNB or any other crypto tokens to swap it with their native coins. So when I talk about native coins, native tokens, ApeSwap native token is called Banana. You will be able to see in a CoinGecko the latest price. The latest price, I think it's around $4.71, and that offers quite number of tools. So let me give you a quick glimpse about this tool. Okay, first thing is exchange. Exchange means you will be able to swap your BNB to any other coin, any other they are listed. Binance Smart Chain, the tokens which are listed in Binance Smart Chain, you will be able to see, and some of the Ethereum based tokens also will be, you will be able to see here. So what you have to do is, in case you are not having any account in your any of the exchange, and you want to have you want to buy a token in your wallet directly, so this is how you can do it. Connect your wallet with I think, let me stop and share the whole screen first, so then it will be much more easier for us. Give me a minute.
So do let us know in the comment section on the Binance situation. If you have any information, you can share it with us in the comment section.
Mm.
Today is a great day, guys. We had very nice $1 trillion to 2.3 trillion coming into the market. Bitcoin also tried to break the resistance of 50K. So amazing time.
Yeah. Okay, entire screen. Let's go to the entire screen now. All right. So I was saying about this connect to wallet. If you have MetaMask, if you have Binance Chain wallet, let me show you MetaMask. It will try to connect to a smart chain. Sometime I don't know why it's take time. Okay, let's check this out. I'm connecting to other wallet. We also have a Binance wallet. So either you can use MetaMask or Binance wallet. Connect. I'm using my demo account. If you have BNB, select max and swap it to any other coin, either Ethereum based, ADA, BNB, Aave. You can just select the crypto and you will be able to exchange it and directly able to store the token in your wallet instead of holding in any of the exchange. Now, the other very good feature, what Banana and AppSwap and Finance and PancakeSwap have it is, let me show you. Together, I'm going to show you the difference and what are the benefits you can get it from these swapping platforms. So, in one hand, I have open PancakeSwap.finance. In another hand, I have AppSwap.finance. So both the platforms is similar interface, very user friendly interface. No need to know, no need to go so technical. Uh, how you can do staking. So banana pool is a stake a banana to earn new tokens. You can unstake at any time. Rewards are calculated per blocks. Similar to that, you have a pool in PancakeSwap also. You have manual cake. Let me show you the APY for this. Okay. So return of investment I have already covered yesterday. It's just a quick glimpse. 30 days you'll be getting 10%, and you'll be able to uh, from the staking you'll be able to get almost 10 bananas, and in a year, yeah, why it shows less today? Oh no, this is correct. So yeah, 7 days you'll get 4 banana, 30 days you'll get 17 banana, and in a year you'll get around 352 bananas. Okay, so the price is not going to same. So definitely you will have benefits. Okay, let's talk about golden banana. It's called Gnana. Okay, the golden banana has been designed especially to reward loyal AppSwap community members who stick with AppSwap through thick and thin. Means either the market is bull or bearish. So golden banana holders are true APs, means they are the true fan of ApeSwap, and ApeSwap anticipate on treating them like a VIP in their ecosystems. So let me tell you how Gnana works. The names are really funny, but let's enjoy the logic behind it. Okay, so introducing to Gnana, how does it works? Pretty simple. The golden banana has a number of priorities. Okay, number of priorities in terms of passive farming. So passive farming, how it works, Gnana is a reflect token with a 2% of transfer fee. So similar to Moon Nation, you will get a 2% auto staking, means reflection for any transactions which happens. So 2% you will be getting it as a hodlers. So Gnana hodlers get a share of fee proportional to their holdings just by having it in their wallets. So this is one thing. Um, Okay, then you have exclusive IAO access. IAO access is a collectible, which is fungible token NFTs kind of platforms, which it has right here, AIO. So you will gain access to exclusive token allocations for initial ape offering. The purpose of this is to increase the banana being burned and combat the whale problem in the current workflow model of iOS. So we have been seeing a lot of potential solution for this, but nothing that truly works in the AppSwap finance opinion. Any whale that want to come to AppSwap for the IO but not remain a long-term hodlers will get penalized when they swap back to Banana. I'll tell you why. Okay, so exclusive pool access you will get. Okay, so very interesting part which I want to cover here. Backed 1:1 by Banana. So the Gnana is ultimately backed 1:1 by Banana. It means if you hold one banana is equivalent to Gnana. A little bit complex, but you have to understand the logic here. The Gnana is ultimately backed 1:1 by banana. It means whatever the price will be for banana, that will be the similar price to the golden banana. But there is a twist here. You can always swap your Gnana back to banana, but this would all come after the 30% of fee. So in case I just give you with example, if someone was to sell their precious Gnana, that supply is locked up into a treasury fund and ultimately available for purchase from the next portions, one banana. As a users, you get one banana per Gnana, but you have to pay 30% of fee. 30% of fee means if you have 100 Gnana and you want to switch back to banana, that means 30% will be burnout and you'll be getting only 17 banana. But if you are holding it, you will have more benefit. It means your banana will keep on increasing. You will get a 2% of the reflection fees and many other benefits. So hodlers only will be rewarded. Those who want to do some transactions, they'll be penalized. So that's the logic behind this Gnana, means golden banana concept. Hope you understand it. If not, that probably I'll cover more, because they have a lot of tools here, and their roadmap also are very varied and too vast. They have lots of things which they are coming up in this simple platform. So probably in upcoming sections, I'll cover all the features of this app. I'm also going to test it this week. I'm going to invest some money here and see how the performance, and I'll be sharing it. Of course, I'm not going to share all my wallet details because we have faced a problem in the past. But of course, I'll share the benefits of this. That's all I have it, Wayne.
Thanks, Manish. A lot to cover on this banana in
Yeah,
pajamas. So
yeah.
very
Golden
interesting.
banana. There are lots of complex terms are there, but this entire platform and ecosystems designed really intelligent in an intelligent way.
Awesome. Awesome. So let's look at what's happening on the market side of things. This is the total crypto market. As you can see, we had a very nice run up since July 21. There's also a golden cross that formed. And
Wow.
after the golden cross form on the total market cap of 2 point, where are we now? We are in $2.2 trillion.
Now the golden era of Bitcoin is going to start.
Yeah,
Now we are in September and October phase where we hit the golden cross. November, the taproot is coming. So
everything.
money
The
in all the
stars,
hand and
right?
loon dance, I think.
The star has aligned.
Yeah.
And yeah, so this golden cross actually took place just about on the 31st of August for the total market cap. This is on a day chart. We see three great volumes, very bullish volumes that came in. A large amount of money was pumped in. We still have a few more trillion dollars to go to actually break the $2.5 trillion market cap, which actually was sometime, I think last we saw was at 12th of May. So it's been a while since we saw large volume of money coming in. This thing will stay all the way, and we should be able to break. We are slightly a bit early based on looking at 7 years worth of data. So in October onwards, we should get to see a very nice run up of the bull.
Yeah. And look at that. This golden cross after so many months.
So many months. Of course, there will be slight dips that
I
will.
think we probably in next session we will find out when was the last golden cross for this Bitcoin.
Yeah, yeah, we can check that. And also because this is overbought, so naturally there will be a sell off that will happen, a small slight dip, which is very natural for markets to move slightly sideways before it goes, it accumulates and they will pump up again. So we'll see a very nice run up in the next 3 months. So stay tuned and make sure that you start to prepare for that bull. Of course, I hope that this doesn't come in at the wrong time because of the recent Binance in Singapore. So that we will
Yeah,
get that checked.
past couple of days we were so happy. Our bots was working. We were earning well in the trading. We were our hodling coins, hodling tokens are going up and up every day.
Right.
So this is one something which
Let's see. We will see how to work around and I mean, of course, be in compliance as citizens of Singapore, as
yeah.
well as also find the opportunity because we are still bringing money back to Singapore, and I think that's entrepreneurship. So let's see how that goes. So fear and greed index, of course, amazing 74. We are climbing. This week we have always been in the 70s, so that's good to know. Means confidence is in the marketplace. Of course, on the stock market side of things, in terms of the fear index, nothing is happening much in the stock market. Prior, because the federal government, I think, couple of weeks back, we covered, were talking about tapering. Tapering meaning that that money will still be printed and money will still flow at a very low interest rates. So whatever is actually supporting the current corporations will continue. So there will be cheap fiat coming in for companies to borrow for expansion. Now, looking at this beautiful green, we see, of course, Bitcoin taking dominance, as you can see, over 11,000 cryptocurrencies in the marketplace. Ethereum with 20%, and third place, of course, is Cardano with the rest of the altcoins. Now, in the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is up by 5.35, Ethereum is up by 6.76, Cardano up by 6.79, BNB is up by 2.57, USDT is slightly down by 0.03, XRP is up by 7.09, Dogecoin is up by 7.59, Solana making it to 8th place is up by 1.98 and still climbing. Polkadot is up by 9.42 and USDC is at $1. So just a few things on the coins.
I think we have to create some FUD about Solana so that we can go.
So that we can go in and buy. We missed the actual vote.
Yeah,
We
but of
didn't buy
course,
enough.
yeah, but definitely some crash will come for Solana
Yeah,
also.
that's the cycle of the market. So
Yeah, so
yeah.
I think we are waiting for that FUD. for Solana so that we can also get benefit.
Hey, who knows? I mean, with this Binance situation, maybe that could create people trying to pull money out of the exchanges.
Possible.
Coins might go down, so it might be become buying opportunity for us. So Bitcoin, of course, as Manish pointed out, there's a upgrade that will be coming up in sometime in November. As you can see, if you invested in 3 months ago, there will be about 32%, right? Ethereum also is going through the upgrade for 2.0. Cardano, by October, there will be smart contracts capabilities. BNB is projected, Cardano's price prediction is actually from $3, which we broke today, to $5 per coin. Of course, all of these are speculative. This is not financial advice. BNB coin is expected to hit $1,000. USDT, of course, is a stable coin. XRP, if they pay the lawsuit, of course, we will see a very nice run up for XRP. Dogecoin is integrating with Ethereum via some form of a bridge. When that happens, Dogecoin can flow into the Ethereum network. Solana, of course, heavy hitters called the Ethereum killer are pushing well above with the price target of 200 US dollars per coin. Doge, of course, anticipated that $1 that was supposed to happen sometime early this year. We hit at about 74 cents, so that is it. Polkadot, of course, based on the news today, I've covered. I'm not too sure whether they will find new ways, new technologies to stay relevant in the coming time, because Ethereum 2.0 might they actually set up, the co-founder actually from Polkadot came out to support Ethereum in terms of scalabilities and some of those issues on being able to operate from two different blockchains in terms of that on-chain or off-chain cross. So something to take note of those coins. Bitcoin, of course, being dominant, they based on the $2.2 trillion, they take about 50% of that 1 trillion. They are at the 900 billion market cap right now, so money supply is pouring in into Bitcoin. They seem to model the same as the total crypto market. However, the golden cross has not been formed yet for Bitcoin. So that means the 50-day moving averages actually crosses the 200 moving average. But we can see a very nice bump in the price. They broke the resistance of 49,000. They are slightly above 50,000. If they can hold that 50,000, we will see a nice run up to the 64,854, which is the last high Bitcoin has ever been, and hope that we can break new heights and go for the price, which is 100,000 by the end of December. So if you are buying Bitcoin now, for every $100 that you put in, if Bitcoin moves to 100,000 per coin, you will actually double that $100, right? So times 2 your money. Rainbow chart, of course, still show hodl. Let's look at the blockchain. Basically, we always check the transactions. However, these transactions doesn't correlate to people buying off the counter. So there's a lot of older generations that go off the counter to purchase, but that can be tracked in a separate chart. I will try to get that chart. If some of you who are very interested to read the news, head over to our Twitter zones. Every day we'll post certain interesting reads so that you can keep yourself up to date. So there was a slight dip yesterday again in the transaction, but look at what happened today in terms of the price action of Bitcoin. So that's all I have. If you have any questions, you can comment in the section below.
Yep. Till that time, keep eating banana. And
So that's all I have, guys. Tomorrow we'll see you same time, same channel. Is going to be TGIF. We might have a whiskey, so let's see.
enjoy. Wow. We are waiting for our weekend badly.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. So, guys, if you have any further questions, do let us know. Keep reading that new trends in cryptos. Do some technical analysis. Learn and practice. Karo perfect bano. Take care, guys.
Take care.